Ralph Helm Inc. are constantly looking for new products, innovative products that will meet the needs of our customers, something that maybe nobody else has. So during that search, we came across the Orec company, and it had a number of products that would fit that bill. So we started off with the snow lineup with Orec. The Snow Rhino in particular, which is a stand-on zero-turn snowplow. The majority of my commercial customers are looking for ways to be more productive with their snow work. And so they use this for clearing areas, sidewalks, large areas, things of that nature, and have been just extremely happy with it. We've got the Rover, which has just been a wonderful addition. It goes through, it performs, it'll cut anything it can run over. We're also excited to bring in the Snow Bull, which is their walk-behind snowplow, and that's a product that we're excited to show people, and it's going to be, I think, a wonderful addition to the lineup that we have here at Ralph Helm Incorporated. Garden Quake is a rear-tine rototiller. It's able to sink into it, rototill up, and till everything up so fine, so easily. That brings me to another innovative product that Orec carries, and that's the Trailblazer Transporter. It's a motorized wheelbarrow on tracks, and it'll go over all sorts of terrain, making it very easy for the operator to get to where he needs to get to with the supplies he needs to do. The Cyclone, the flail mower, basically runs over, sucks them in, chips them up, spits them out. It's almost like a walk-behind wood chipper. It's just awesome. The Orec product, in my mind, is one of the best professional pieces of equipment that is out there. Heavy duty, built to last, and the Orec product exceeds everyone's expectations, and they're a great company to work for.